Ever seen a bee that looks like it's been dipped in emeralds? Meet the green orchid bee, nature's little jewel thief. Stick around, and I'll show you a world so shiny you might need sunglasses. Don't forget to hit subscribe before this bee outshines your jewelry box. Up close, its body gleams like metallic chrome, neon green, turquoise, and gold shimmering with every angle of light. Males collect rare perfumes from orchids, storing them in tiny leg pockets, basically tinder with better chemistry. Their wings beat so fast they scatter sunlight into rainbow prisms. Their antennae? Built-in scent detectors so precise, they can track a single orchid fragrance across the rainforest. And here's the kicker. While looking fabulous, they're also pollination powerhouses, keeping tropical ecosystems alive. They've even inspired NASA and fragrance scientists. Who knew a bee could outshine both Gucci and space tech? So, next time you think diamonds are forever, remember, the green orchid bee is out there flexing nature's ultimate bling. Subscribe for more creatures that make the red carpet look underdressed.